This is a story that begins with fear, but ends with hope. A story about the future of work. For years, he was steady, reliable, a pillar of his family and his company. Then, one day, AI took his job. The world he knew was changing rapidly. The pace of technology was relentless, even within the walls of his familiar office. He put in the hours, believed in his value, confident that experience was enough. But outside his focus, the new systems were already running faster, smarter, and cheaper. The moment of reckoning arrived, a summons to the boss's office, a brief, polite conversation. The boss's voice was calm, almost apologetic. An AI system can now handle your duties, John. We appreciate your years of service. His world dissolved into slow motion. No anger, just silent, cold fear. What now? With a heavy heart, he returned to his desk. He packed his life into a single box, each item a memory now tinged with uncertainty. He walked out, not with a bang, but with a quiet, defeated step. The office was moving on without him. Home was no sanctuary, only stillness and worry. The questions echoed in the darkness. How will I provide? What am I worth now? Then, a small voice broke the silence. Dad, why are you sad? The burden felt heavier than ever, but despair was not his destination. He realized the game had changed, and he needed to change with it. He chose not to give up. He chose to adapt, to learn the very language of the machine that replaced him. He traded fear for focus, confusion for code, integrating AI into his skill set, becoming fluent in the future. His determination paid off. He didn't just find a new job, he found a new purpose. He became the human partner to the AI, leveraging its speed with his invaluable human insight. AI will not replace humans, but humans who use AI will replace those who don't.